Your MacBook Neo might look sleek, but heat can quietly kill its performance over time. So which cooling pad actually keeps it running fast and safe? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best MacBook Neo cooling pads that improve airflow, reduce heat, and boost your daily performance instantly. On number 5 is Kootek Laptop Cooling Pad. The Kootek Laptop Cooling Pad is designed to prevent overheating and improve performance, featuring 5 quiet fans, a metal mesh surface, dual USB ports, and 6 adjustable height levels for better airflow and ergonomics. Its multi-fan system delivers strong, real-life cooling during gaming, editing, or long work sessions, helping maintain stable performance and reduce thermal throttling compared to basic single-fan pads. The build is sturdy, with anti-slip stoppers and adjustable angles, making it easy to use and comfortable for extended sessions, though it is slightly bulkier than slim competitors like TechNet. Overall, it offers excellent value for gamers and heavy users who need effective cooling, and it's a reliable recommendation if performance and temperature control matter more than ultra portability. Next in the list is ChillCore Laptop Cooling Pad. The ChillCore A21 Laptop Cooling Pad is designed for high-performance cooling, featuring 9 fans, 8 adjustable height levels, RGB lighting modes, dual USB ports, and an LCD control panel for fine-tuned airflow and ergonomics. In real-life use, it delivers strong cooling during gaming, heavy workloads, and long sessions, with noticeably better heat dissipation than simpler pads like Kootek's 5-fan model, while still remaining relatively quiet thanks to optimized fan design. The build feels sturdy with a metal-plastic combination and ergonomic angles that reduce neck strain, though it is bulkier and less portable compared to slimmer cooling pads. Overall, it offers excellent value for gamers and power users who need aggressive cooling and visual flair, and it's a solid recommendation if performance and customization matter more than portability. Next in the list is Trullypine Laptop Cooling Pad with 12 quiet fans. The Trullypine Laptop Cooling Pad is designed for powerful thermal management, featuring 12 quiet fans, a large metal mesh surface, 5 adjustable height levels, dual USB ports, and a built-in phone holder to enhance both cooling and usability. In real-life use, it delivers strong airflow that helps reduce overheating during gaming, editing, or long sessions, performing more aggressively than typical 5-fan pads like Kootek while still maintaining relatively low noise levels. The build is sturdy yet portable, with ergonomic adjustments that improve posture, though it is slightly bulkier compared to slimmer competitors focused on minimal design. Overall, it offers excellent value for gamers and heavy users who need maximum cooling performance, and it's a solid recommendation if you prioritize strong airflow and extra features over ultralight portability. Next up is KeiBn Laptop Cooling Pad. The KeiBn S039 Laptop Cooling Pad is designed to provide basic heat management and ergonomic support, featuring dual cooling fans, a metal mesh surface, 5 adjustable height levels, dual USB ports, and a built-in phone holder for added convenience. In real-life use, it performs well for everyday tasks like browsing, office work, and light gaming, helping reduce overheating, though its dual-fan setup is less powerful compared to multi-fan options like Kootek or ChillCore. The build is lightweight and portable, with stable anti-slip design, making it easy to use on desks or laps, but it lacks the aggressive cooling performance of higher-end models. Overall, it offers solid value for casual users and students who need affordable cooling and ergonomic support, and it's a practical recommendation if you want a simple, budget-friendly solution rather than heavy-duty cooling. Last one in the list is COOREL Laptop Cooling Pad. The COOREL Laptop Cooling Pad is designed to improve airflow and prevent overheating, featuring 6 high-speed fans, a metal mesh surface, dual USB ports, and multiple height adjustments for better cooling and ergonomics. Its multi-fan system actively dissipates heat in real-life use during gaming, editing, or long sessions, helping maintain stable performance and reduce thermal throttling compared to basic dual-fan pads like KeiBn. The build feels sturdy, with anti-slip stoppers and adjustable angles, making it comfortable and easy to use on desks or laps while still remaining relatively quiet. Overall, it offers strong value for students and heavy users who need reliable cooling without spending too much, and it's a solid recommendation for everyday performance-focused use rather than ultra-portable setups. Those were the 5 best MacBook Neo Cooling Pads that can keep your laptop cool, stable, and performing at its best. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description to grab the perfect cooling pad for you.